O Swati star born, as you stay focused along on these four slokas, all problems related to your planetary afflictions will be sorted out and you will be bestowed with health, wealth, prosperity, and wonderful progeny. Maharshi Kapilacharya Krutagnu Medinipati Tripadastri Dasajacham Mahasunga Kruta Antakrit Mahavaraho Govinda Sushena Kanaka Angadi Guhyo Gabhiro Gano Guptas Chakragada Adhara Vedhaspango Ajita Krishno Dhrada Sankarshano Achyuta Varuno Ruksha Pushkaraksho Mahamana Bhagavan Vanamali Halayuda Adityo Jyotira Aditya Sahishnurgati Sattama